Thanks for tuning in to the Measures of Success Video Practice Buddy series. I'm Dr. Deb. In this session, we're going to show you the best way to assemble and disassemble your horn. This is Janie. She's going to demonstrate as I take you through the process. As you can see, Janie hasn't yet taken her horn out of the case. She's going to show you how to do this in the safest way possible. If you do what Janie does, your horn won't become damaged when you take it out of the case. So, Janie, could you place your case flat on the floor, please? And you're going to do this too at home. She's going to make sure that her case is not upside down. Your case might look a little different from hers, but usually there's a logo of some kind on the side that faces up, not bottom. So if your case doesn't have a logo on it, and check out Janie's doesn't have a logo on hers. If your case doesn't have a logo on it, just like Janie's doesn't, you might want to check out the latches. When the case is in the correct position for opening, the latches should lift up. Can you show that, Janie, how the latches lift right up? There you go. If you think you're going to forget, go ahead and put a really cool sticker on the side that faces up, and then you'll never forget. So, go ahead and open the case, Janie. Now that your case is open, right along with Janie's, she's going to carefully lift the horn with both hands. Now watch to see where she places her hands to lift the horn out of the case. See, she does it with the bell and up at the top by the lead pipe. There you go. She does it very carefully. Let's take a look at hand position now. The left hand should hold the horn with the little finger in the finger hook and the thumb in a thumb ring. Now notice Janie's horn. Janie's using a double horn, so she doesn't have her left thumb in a thumb ring. She actually has it resting on the trigger key. So if you're using a single horn, you'll have a hook there. If you're using a double horn, you'll have the trigger key, okay? So Janie's going to take the mouthpiece out of the case now with her right hand. And we're going to watch as she gently places the mouthpiece in the receiver pipe. She's going to give it just a tiny bit of a twist. Just like that. See how carefully she did that? She gave the mouthpiece a little twist so that the shank grips the inside of the receiver. Make sure you don't bang on the mouthpiece or twist too hard. Now really, that's it. Assembling the horn is very easy, and so is the disassembly. Right now, Janie's going to show you how to disassemble the horn. All you really need to do is reverse the assembly process. She's going to take the mouthpiece out with a little twist. She's going to put it back in the case. Now she's going to take the horn with both hands and gently place it back in the case in the correct position. When she's sure that everything is in the right spot, she can close and lock the case so that nothing falls out. Just like that. It's pretty easy. There you go. The next Measures of Success Video Practice Buddy for horn focuses on posture, hand position, and embouchure. So you might want to check that out. Now, on behalf of everyone here at FJH Music and Janie, I'm Dr. Deb. Thanks for watching.